Hi, my name is Amy Chang and I'm here today to talk to you about bareMinerals Smoothness Cleansing Oil. I especially love that it's a clean formulation. It's free of parabens, phthalates, SLS, mineral oil, it's vegan, and it's cruelty-free. It's made with sunflower oil to nourish skin, as well as it includes pomegranate, which helps to improve the look of skin over time. It's incredibly easy to use. You'll want to just massage 3 to 4 pumps over your skin until it transforms into a light milk. Then easily wash it away with water and move on to your next step in your skincare routine. I really love how this cleansing oil makes my skin feel so soft. It doesn't dry it out or leave a residue. It is super effective at melting away impurities, dirt and debris, and washing away all makeup, including waterproof makeup. I especially love it how easy it emulsifies, and it gives a very gentle, soft feeling to the skin. Thank you so much for watching.